Welcome to the new Grolier Electronic Encyclopedia on CD-ROM, a treasury of information, sights, and sounds for the entire family. If at any time you need assistance in using the Grolier Encyclopedia, simply select the Help button. A brief voiceover will describe the current screen and its buttons. The question mark or escape key on the remote control will invoke a help voiceover for the current screen. Most screens provide an A to Z button, which lets you quickly return to the A to Z screen when you want to start a brand new search. Selecting one of the A to Z buttons adds that letter to the search word displayed below the alphabet list. Use the arrow key cluster on the remote control to move from button to button on the screen. Selecting the Title Search button will locate up to 2,000 articles that have the search word in their titles. Selecting the Word Search button will locate up to 2,000 articles that contain the search word. The Browse Pictures button takes you to an alphabetical list of picture categories. Use the A key to activate the current button. The A key will also pause an image display until it is pressed a second time. Use the B key to return to the previous screen, or terminate an image display and return to the previous screen. The Browse Pictures button lets you explore the Grolier Electronic Encyclopedia's treasury of images. Scroll and jump scroll bars are provided to let you move quickly through the list of topics. Select the topic of interest to see a list of images and sounds. Select the picture title you prefer, and the image will display with a caption. Click on the A button of your remote if you want to hold the picture, and then click again to return to the picture. A title or word search will result in a list of relevant story titles. Use the oblong scroll bar to display the next set of titles in the list, or the jump scroll bars at the far right to quickly move to another part of the title list. When using a scroll bar, the up and down arrows will move you from screen to screen in the text. Select the article title of your choice. Especially long articles are introduced with an outline of the sections included. Again, use the scroll bar at the right to peruse a long list. When an article has associated pictures, sounds, or fact boxes, this will be indicated in the outline. Just select the word to explore these exciting multimedia links. Select the section title to view that part of the text. The story screen has arrows in the upper right and left corners which allow you to jump forward or backward in the current list. Use the scroll bar to display more of the text. If you scroll up past the beginning of a section, you will arrive at the bottom of the previous section. If you scroll past the end of a section, you will arrive at the beginning of the next section. You can also jump from section to section within an article by using the section arrows at the bottom of the screen. Words in boldface indicate a specific related article title. Select a bold-faced word to display the titles list for that word. Once in the text of an article, you can instantly start a new word search by selecting any word in the text. Like any other word search list, just select the title to view the article. Many screens display the Return button, allowing you to easily return to the previously viewed screen. The new Grolier Electronic Encyclopedia is designed to make learning easy and fun. With a wealth of exciting sounds and pictures and thousands of detailed articles, it's a learning tool that can be enjoyed not just by students, but by every member of the family.